my view, building effective client relationships comes down to two C's: credibility and courage. The first around credibility is the HR professional needs to be able to have a true understanding of the global business language, which is finance. Are you able to link the balance sheet and the income statement? And being able to do this, you'll be able to link the business needs to employees' needs and drive that right colleague agenda throughout the whole enterprise. The second piece is around courage. Often, when the decision makers are around the table, you're never short in finding leaders that'll put the business needs as the top priority. Typically, there's one person that puts the employees' needs as the top priority, and that's the most senior HR professional at the table. So you have to have courage when everyone else is putting the business first to have that debate.